5 minutes away or so. They say it's a 65 mile an hour storm moving this way, and temps are going to drop about 30 degrees in the next couple of hours. So right here, see, that's me in the little dot right there, Sandy Springs, Georgia, and that storm is blowing this away. So potential of a tornado, they said, tornado warning. Whoa. All right, that's an updated version, and you can see it's right on us. Look at that. That's me and the little green dot. And that red is coming from right there. ETA, probably 5 minutes until the real heavy stuff hits. I don't know. Oh! Crap! So, you believe me now? Oh my God. Maybe I shouldn't be sitting there.